welcome back. So in last class we have discussed about the trigonometry and have 6 trigonometric ratios and how to use it and where we will use it we have learnt. Today now we are going to be finding the trigonometric ratio values with different angles. If at 0 degree, what is the sine ratio, what is the cos ratio, tan ratio, like that. And similarly in 10th standard we have 5 angles: 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay, let us find that. So we are going to be finding 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So with sine, how these values will come, that is also, instead of by hearting the table values, how these values has come, that let us discuss. Okay, so now since we are discussing with right angle triangle, now let me show you that 45 degree first. So I am taking here 45 degree. When I taken 45 degree, this angle also will become 45 degree, right? Clear? Done. Now, so this is which type of triangle now? Isosceles right angle triangle. So here if it is 1 unit, here also it will be 1 unit. If you take here 2 units, this is also will become 2 units. Okay? So for understanding, I am just taking 1 and 1. Whatever value also you can take. If you want, you can even take x and x also. It's fine. Okay, 1 will be easy to understand. No, that is the reason I have taken 1. So according to Pythagoras, side square plus side square is nothing but hypotenuse square. So that is 1 square plus 1 square root. Now sine value, if I take sine 45. Sine 45 formula is what? Sine angle opposite by hypotenuse. So you can take this 45 or this 45, any value if you take also it's fine. So opposite 1 by hypotenuse is root. So sine 45 is what? 1 by root 2. Similarly cos. Cos is what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. Now tan. Tan is opposite by adjacent. 1 by 1. Cosecant. Cosecant is sine reciprocal. So sine reciprocal. 1 by root 2 reciprocal, what it will become? Root 2. Secant. Cos reciprocal. 1 by root 2 reciprocal again? Root 2. Now cot. Cot is tan reciprocal. 1 by 1, what it will become? 1. So we have completed 45 degree, how the values will come. Now let us see 30 and 60. 30 and 60. 30 degree and 60 degree. To take that, let us see 60 degree in right triangle. Which triangle we can see 60 degree? In the equilateral triangle. So to prove this, I am going to take 60 degree, that is equilateral triangle. So if it is A units, this is also A units, A units. Now what I am going to do? Perpendicular and in equilateral triangle, perpendicular is nothing but bisects also. It will become bisects. So let me name it A, B, C, and this intersection is D, and there it is bisects. So total length is A units. BD is half of it. So A by 2. This length what it will become? A by 2. Now I know hypotenuse. Now take triangle ABD. ABD or ACD, anything you can take. ABD or ACD, any angle you can take, any triangle you can take. Now in this, AB is hypotenuse for this. Now you just close this triangle. If you observe, ADB, D at D right angle, and AB is the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse I want AD length. We need to find AD length. So AD is nothing but one of the side. How the formula will take? AD square, AD is equal to root over hypotenuse square minus other square, other side. So that is AB square minus BD square. Then AD is what? A units. A square minus BD is A by 2. A by 2 whole square. So A square minus A square by 2 square is 4. So many will forget to square the denominator. Only numerator they will do, and square the denominator they will forget. Now here take LCM. 1 and 4 LCM is 4 into 4 into 4. 4A square minus A square, what it will become? 3A square by 4. Right? Clear? Now A square can come out from the square root. 4 also can come out. 4 is a square root of 2. Right? So A by A root 3 by 2. A root 3 by 2. Clear? So A root 3 by 2. A root 3 by 2. Clear? So now I found that opposite. Okay? I have done that. I got the opposite. Now I am going to arrange this for your better understanding. This triangle part. Now if you observe, since this is equilateral triangle, this is 60 degree and it is bisecting, this will become 30 degree. Now in this triangle itself, I can find out 60 degree and 30 degree. Now I have the values, all the sides values I have. So 60 degree and 30 degree I can find out, right? Now let us take. I am going to fill sin 30. 30 degree here. 30 degree opposite is A by 2 by hypotenuse A. So what it will become? A by 2 by A. A will get cancelled. Then it will remains 1 by 2. Clear? Okay. So sin 30 is 1 by 2. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Now cos 30. If you want, fill all the 30 degree for this. And then after go to 60, or else you can fill sin 30, sin 60 together, then after you can fill the remaining values. Anyway, it is fine. Now I am talking about the 30 degree now, so let me fill all the ratios with the 30 degree. So sin 30 I have done it. Now cos 30. Cos 30 is what? Excuse me. Adjacent hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent is it? A again it will get cancelled. Then what will be left out? Root 3 by 2 will be left out. Understood? Root 3 by 2. Then tan. Tan is what? Opposite by adjacent. Sorry, 30 degree, no? This is opposite and this is adjacent. If you want, just do that. In left side, you just do this calculation. A root 3 by 2. So 2 denominators, A will get cancelled. What it will get? 1 by root 3. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Now from here, you don't need to check with the triangle itself. You can go with the reciprocals. So cosecant is sin reciprocal, so it is 2. Secant is cos reciprocal, 2 by root 3. Cot is tan reciprocal, that is root 3. Done. Clear? Now let me go with the and this is one analysis. How do I use that? Now 60 degree I am taking. 60 means this. With respect to this angle, I am going to change the sides. So 60 degree opposite side it will become AD, adjacent will become BD. So now sin 60. Sin 60 means opposite by hypotenuse. So A root 3 by 2 by 8. A will get cancelled. What is left of? Root 3 by 2. Similarly, cos 60 adjacent by hypotenuse. Again A will get cancelled. What is left of? 1 by 2. And tan will come. See, opposite by adjacent. A will get cancelled. 2 will get cancelled. Numerator root 3 will be left over. 3 by 2 reciprocal is 2 by root 3. That is cosecant. Secant will take cos reciprocal, that is 2. Cot will take tan reciprocal, root 3 reciprocal will become 1 by root 3. Done. Am I done? Okay. Next. Now coming to remaining two angles. How it will look. Okay. Now clearly observe. This is 0 degree angle. This is right angle triangle. Clear? Excuse me. Now 0 degree. What is the meaning of 0 degree? Either here the angle should be 0 or here it should be angle 0. Either of the places. Since this is fixed, that means now when there is a slant, there must be other than 0 angle existed. But here 0 degree they said. 0 degree means this slant should not be there. Then what it will become? It will be reduced. Like this. Then this hypotenuse should fall on it. This hypotenuse should fall on it. Then this will be 0 degree. Now when it is reducing, can we see the opposite side now? Can we see the opposite side? No, there is no opposite side. Opposite side also will become as a bracket since it is gone. When slant is reducing like this, where is the opposite side? So opposite side is, value is what? 0. Opposite side is what? Value become 0. Right? And adjacent equal to hypotenuse. Adjacent equal to hypotenuse. Since this hypotenuse has fallen on this adjacent side. Since we are taking this angle, right? So this hypotenuse has fallen on the adjacent. So adjacent has become hypotenuse. Opposite complete length will become 0. Complete length become 0. Am I clear? Right? Now, at that condition, sine value is what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite value is what? 0. 0 by anything? 0. 0 by anything? 0. Now, cos 0. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent equal to hypotenuse. So, adjacent hypotenuse both will get cancelled. Then what you will get? 1. Coming to tan. Opposite by adjacent. 0 by anything again? 0. From here you just place it there. 0 reciprocal not defined. Here not defined we will use with the infinite symbol like this. And 1 reciprocal is 1. Again 0 reciprocal is not defined. Clear? So 0 angle everything over. Now coming to 90 degree. 90 degree also here only I can take. When this both has fallen, here it is what? 90 degree it is making. Right? Then that time adjacent will become 0. Opposite will be equal to hypotenuse. When theta is 90 degree. Here theta is 0 degree. Correct, no? In a triangle, one angle is 0 degree means one angle we know it is fixed 90 degree. Then other angle what it will become? 90 degree concept only. So 0 degree opposite is 0, but adjacent is existed or not? In this case, 90 degree it will become no. That is nothing but theta is equal to 90 degree. Adjacent value will become 0 now in this case, and opposite will become hypotenuse. Reverse. Now sine formula is what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse means that is 1. Cos adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is 0. 0 by anything? 0. Tan opposite by adjacent. Opposite existed, but by 0. Any value divided by 0 it is not defined again. Now from here 1 reciprocal is 1. 0 reciprocal is not defined. When 0 reciprocal not defined reciprocal will become 0. Clear? This is what. Understood? Like this, the angle values will come. So next exercise, that is third exercise, we are going to be discussed with this angles concept completely. Okay? So 10 seconds I will is the board. So please copy the table. How it will come also I will explain it. Once remember method and even how to remember easy way also we will discuss. 10 seconds please please it so that you can copy. Okay. In next class we will discuss the how to use this table.